Hi, Chris here from Zapable, and I'm going to show you how to zap your first app in minutes. So within Zapable, we have what we like to call the look and feel. And within the look and feel, it's how you can completely change how you want your app to look without having any experience or knowing any coding skills. It's really very simple. You can choose the icon you want. You can just add whichever icon you'd like. You can choose from our number of themes. And then you can choose what way you want the menu layout. Now you'll notice this is all done in real time. So you can, no need to save to see what your changes are going to look like. You'll be able to see what they look like live right in front of you, which makes it so easy when you're trying to get the colors right for your app. I mean, you don't need to do any of this, but this is what we have, the options available. So let's say you want to change the hover background. Well, we'll go to list hover background and maybe we'll make it a bluey purple. So you see there, it changes in real time. So maybe we'll make it a yellowy color. Maybe we'll make it a yellowy color. And you can see that it changes in real time. So you have the options to do backgrounds, hover backgrounds, content backgrounds, borders, text, titles, the buttons, overlay, icon title, and all you need to do is drag and drop. It really is that easy. Next, you can change your background settings. Maybe you want to do colors like I've done here, or maybe you would like to use an image for your background. It's purely up to you. Again, with header settings, you can choose to use text. App title, and you can see your changes happen in real time. You can choose what color you want it to be, and you can choose what color you want your text to be. So it's purely up to you how you design your app. You can use what we have, or you can add some of your own to it. You can change your home and back buttons, or you can use the ones that we provide. You can add your own splash screen, or you can use the ones that we provide. It's purely up to you. There are no limits. So once you've decided how you want your app to look and feel, next you can move on to your features. So within your features, we have over 27 different features. So I'm going to walk you through them. So we'll start with the Amazon catalog. With the Amazon catalog, you're able to build out an Amazon store within your app. So let's say this is based around boxing, so we'll go with skipping ropes. Skipping rope collection. And then remember, you will have entered your affiliate ID. So all these products are going to be sold through your affiliate ID. And if you don't have an Amazon affiliate ID, it takes a minute to get one, and we'll show you exactly how. You can choose from all the Amazon stores, depending on which one you've chosen. So it's really easy. So we'll just click on search. And now it's going to bring back all skipping ropes. So I'm going to select which ones I want. And we're going to click and save. Oh, I forgot to add a little image, which we'll use now. And we'll click and save. So you may be wondering, okay, so what does that look like in an app? So I'm going to show you. So I'll open up the emulator and we'll click. And you can see here, there's the skipping ropes I just added. So when people click and buy now, you are an affiliate commission. They buy the product or any product on Amazon and not visit. So that's how easy it is to build out affiliate stores, Amazon affiliate stores within your mobile app. And the best part is that you can continue to add your catalogs into here and add items, and they'll dynamically move across to your app. Okay, so what does that mean dynamically? It means when someone installs your app on their phone, you can add more products from here and they will instantly appear on that person's phone. So why is that good? Well, let me show you what you can do. With apps, there's a thing called push notifications. So I just want you to watch this. Continue skipping ropes. And then what I can do, I can link to a tab within my app where I can go to my Amazon catalog. Again, I can name Amazon catalog whatever I want. I could have called it boxing equipment so people would click on it, but I'm just keeping it as Amazon catalog so it's clear to what you see. So hey, check out the new skipping ropes. I link to the tab within my app, or I could link to a website URL if I wanted, and then I'll proceed to next. Decide do I want to send it to Android users, iOS users, or to both. And when I decide that, the next decision I make is, do I only want to send this push notifications to people in a certain area? So I can choose area. Let's say we'll put in New York. And I could decide, you know what, I think I'm only going to send it to people in the Brooklyn area. So that's not going to work brilliantly well for Amazon catalogs to a degree, but imagine you're hosting an event in a city and you have your attendees with your app on their phone. You could send a push notification showing how to get to your event using the GPS directions within your app. Be a local brick and mortar business, maybe a restaurant business. You've got putting on the best steak on Thursday, and you're giving 10% off a bottle of wine with every steak order. Well, you could send out a push notification. Say, hey, if you're in the area, come in and get 10% off any steak that you order or any bottle of. So that's what geo-targeting does with people's phones. People don't walk about with their computers and their laptops. They don't carry them around. They have their phones in their pockets. They have their tablets. When you're sitting watching TV, your smartphone's probably sitting beside you. It's in your pocket. You take your smartphone everywhere with you. Push notifications do. They give you the ability to instantly message any of your subscribers, your readers, people who want to buy your products, people who have bought your product. You can message them instantly with the push, literally the push of a button. Once I click publish, that push notification will arrive at my phone within 2 seconds. That is how you get people to start buying new products. I could add more products into my Amazon catalog, and I could send out a push notification to all users just to let them know about the new product they added. We've covered Amazon catalogs, we've covered push notifications and how powerful they are. Next, move on to Facebook. So to add Facebook to your app, really very easy to do. You just get a Facebook page, URL, fan page URL, paste it in, and then it's going to bring up different fan pages based around the URL that you put in. Select the one you want, click and save, and we'll move across and see what it looks like. So now you've got that Manchester United's fan page within your app. Users can share this fan page. So if they click share, it's going to be posted on their public wall. If they click on the post, it brings up the post and all the comments associated with it. If there's a video with the post, if they click on the video, it'll play the video from the post in your app. If there's an image, it'll show up the image in your app. So you can see how powerful that is. And do you remember about 45 seconds ago I showed you push notifications? Well, imagine you make a new post on your fan page. Just send a push notification, link it to the tab in your app that has your fan page, let them know you've made a new t-shirt design or added a new product or have a new giveaway going on or running a new competition you've just posted on your fan page. Click here, they'll click it and they'll be right on your fan page immediately. No waiting on them, opening their email or hoping that they'll maybe see you in their news feed. You can get in front of them instantly with the push of a button using push notifications within the Zapable system. So we've covered Amazon, we've covered Facebook, we've covered push notifications. Let's move on to videos. So how do you add videos into your app? Well, everyone uses videos these days. So the way you market with your videos, you would use the same principles within your app. You could add videos to your app providing great content. It's an incentive for people to install your app, to download your app. I want this guy's app, he's producing great content. Do you see the abs workout that he's shown the other day? Do you see the smoothie that person makes? See the tips that other guy's given for better open rates? Emails? I mean, the list goes on, but the add videos to an app is so simple with Zapable. Click on add videos. You've got 2 options, YouTube or custom. Custom, just add your own. Enter in the URL your video is hosted on. We don't add videos directly into the app because your app would be like 100 meg in no time. So streaming videos is the way to go with mobile apps, or you can use YouTube. So let's say we want to look for some MMA workouts. So we'll just click and go. And I'm just going to search for a keyword. It'll show me some videos. I'll click on done. Best part again, I've just added these videos into my app. It automatically adds to my app. Users don't need to update the app. They don't need to change anything. Any videos I add here will automatically be added to my app. So any users who have my app installed will instantly see these videos when they go into the video section. I mean, you can change the titles. You can change the descriptions. You can add links in if you want. It's purely up to you and what you want to do. So now we've added videos. Let me show you what they look like within your app. So this is your video gallery. You can change, remember, you can change all the colors that you want here. So it's up to you what way you want your app to look. And when you click on them, it brings up your videos. If you have a link in here, the link will be clickable. So it'll open up a browser in your app. So maybe you have a call to action underneath your video. And when a user clicks play in the video, it will open up the video player within the app. So as a video marketer, if you make any type of videos at all, if you make any videos for local clients, if you make any videos for any businesses, if you market using videos, if you promote affiliate products using videos, then you must have a mobile app, because now you can add these videos into an app. We can download from the Android stores or the Apple store, and you're going to be able to do things you've never been able to do before. When you publish a new video, you'll be able to send out a push notification that's going to let people know that you've just added a new video. If you produce good content and your videos are cool and they're engaging, you're going to have a really active user base. So every time you send out a notification, people will be whipping out their phones and seeing what you have to offer. So we've got Amazon, Facebook, YouTube, push notifications. Now we'll move on to Twitter. Twitter, very simple. Enter in a username and boom, your Twitter will be displayed within your app. So I mean, you think if you could use this for celebrities, maybe you could have Kim Kardashian's fan page and Kim Kardashian's Twitter, videos in Kim Kardashian, products from Amazon that Kim Kardashian sells or is associated with. You could build out a fan app based around Kim Kardashian. And if you want, you can drop in advertising. AdMob, it's basically Google AdSense. It's run by Google. It's AdMob. It's the same thing, except it's for apps. So that's Twitter. Products is any catalog. Do you sell t-shirts online? Do you sell any type of products online as an affiliate? Sell anything online at all? Okay, well, you can use catalogs to build out your own custom catalog, selling whatever you want to sell. Maybe you're not an online business, maybe you are mainly offline, or maybe you sell to offline clients. Well, now you can build out a store for them in their app. You can build out an e-commerce store in an app form. You could be a car dealership. Maybe you're selling cars, so you build out a catalog of cars. Maybe you're a realtor. You could add a catalog of properties that you're selling. Maybe you're a golf shop. You could add categories and golf bags, golf balls, everything that you're selling. And you know what the best part is? When their clients come in and they download that company's app, anytime they add new products, they don't need to wait for their client to come back in. They can send a push notification. It will be on their phone in seconds, letting them know about a new product they've added. And we'll take that back again. Think of the geo-targeting push notifications. By the way, are you in this area? If you're in this area right now, come and pop in and check out our new XYZ, whatever the product is. You don't need to worry about maybe, I don't want to send push notifications to my customers who are maybe on a business trip or on a holiday 500, 600, 700 miles away. I'm only going to send notifications to people within a 30-kilometer radius of my business. So that's how cool geo-targeting is. So we've covered catalogs, loyalty cards. Well, it is what it says. You can add loyalty cards into your apps and they just hand it over. They can stamp it. And it's the same as the stamped loyalty cards you see, except this time they're in app form. It's so easy to build loyalty cards. I'll just show you real quick. Create new card. You can name your card, whatever you want. How many stamps do I want to use? What stamp icon do I want to use? You can upload your own, or we have a ton which you can choose from. So we'll just use This one. Pick another one again. I'll just use a video icon just for fun. Free golf balls. And then I could just spend over £20. Visit, earn, and get 5 free golf balls. I mean, I'm sure you can come up with a better idea than that. We'll click and save. And then we'll just update and preview. And we'll go and see our new loyalty card in our mobile app. So there you go. That's how easy it is to add a loyalty card. And if you're a business, maybe you're a business that sells sports equipment, but in selling sports equipment, maybe you're just general all around, maybe you sell cooking equipment, you can have a loyalty card for each area of your business. Again, if you add a new one, push notification, let your clients know about a new loyalty card you've added. Okay, so we've covered loyalty cards. We're moving along rightly here. So let's go on to coupons again. You can add coupons within your app. So you can have them whatever way you want. So how do you do it? Very simply. So you can just choose, do you want to save 25%, percentage, items, or custom? So you just enter in your deal title. There's your deal title. Your description. There's your description. When it expires, you can have an image, currency, the original price, how much discount you're going to give, percentage or in dollars. And then you can say it's only available on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And you can add that in to your coupon. And again, it's all completely dynamic. So when I create a new coupon, it automatically adds to my customer's phone. I can send a push notification to let them know I've just added a new coupon. It can even be an online e-commerce store, and you can include the coupon code within your coupon. So you've got limitless options. You don't need to rely on them checking their email, or you don't need to rely on expensive ad campaigns to let people know you've got a new coupon. You can now let your existing client base know about it with the push of a button. So it's an extremely powerful marketing weapon. Next, audio gallery. With audio gallery, you can add audio galleries into your phone. Are you a podcaster? Well, now you can build out your own audio gallery in your phone. You can use RSS feed, media audio RSS feeds, or you can use SoundCloud, or you can just upload your own audio tracks. So how hard is it to do it? Very easy. Enter your playlist name, enter a thumbnail, add tracks, track name, track URL, track name, track URL, track name, track URL, and that's how you build out your own audio gallery. So for this example, I'm using the TED Talks audio RSS feed just to show you what it looks like. So there you have it, all audios. A user will click and play, and the audio will start playing from their mobile phone, as you can hear in the background right now. So that's how easy it is to build out an audio gallery. So imagine being a podcaster. You've added your audio into your app. Now you can send out a push notification. Yep, you guessed it, a push notification to let them know, by the way, we've just added a new audio. Very powerful. RSS feeds. You can add RSS feeds to your app. Every single WordPress blog has them. Every single site has them. Every single news site has them. And when you add it, we parse it and we show your RSS feed like this in your app. So when you click on it, show the pictures, show the text. So that's how easy it is to publish content within your app. If you are on any type of blog at all, any type of content that has RSS feeds, well, now you can build out an app with RSS feeds and you can display the content fantastically well, which I'm sure you'll agree is very powerful indeed. So next, opt-in forms. With opt-in forms, you can see here description, call to action. You can add in images, any text you want, and you can have their name and their email. Click submit, and they'll opt in to your list. We're hooked directly into Aweber, But even if you're not with Aweber, it doesn't even matter. I'll show you why. Because you can just export your list. It's just as simple as clicking here, clicking export, and your list will then be exported to import into any autoresponder that you use. Okay, so next, Instagram. Again, very easy. Enter in the username of the Instagram, and I'll just click here. And then you'll see the Instagram is added to the app. They can click the photos, they can use their thumb to slide across, or they can click play. So it's like a slideshow. So it's a very great way to display your social profiles within apps. Flickr, same concept, username, select the album that you want to display, and it will add it to your app. You can add about us pages, contact us pages, directories containing all types of articles into your app. Very easy to do. Let me just show you. So you can see here, about, it says about, and then you can add a sub page in. So that would be adding another article. If I do that, it automatically adds to the app. And you add the content.